Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Dan and this is Dan Tech channel. In this video actually just be explaining what you see over here, because we can see there is market, there is buy limit, there is sell limit, there is buy stop limit and all this. So actually I'm going to explain all this so that you can just know how to navigate them, how to execute all those trends, and it will just be very important. But before we start, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. You'll be notified anytime. Actually this bell round one over there, make sure that you click that notification bell so that you can just be notified anytime I just upload a new video. And to start on this video actually is just very easy. As I have said, you will be notified anytime and just make a new video just like this. And on the forex trading, for this is your first time maybe to hear about the forex trading, you can consider to use that is FXPesa, because FXPesa is just here to help you make good amount of money, deposit the small spread out over there. You can check the description in the below so that you can see how things goes, and also I made a video, or now you can just use FXPesa and other platform to link it also to the MT4. So this is MT4, work the same as MT5, they almost work the same. Now I'm going to explain this in a very easy way, and we are going to start from that is from the top mpaka chini kabisa, sindio? So let's start with market execution. Now these things are clarified into two things. There is market execution, kuna market order, kuna market execution na kuna pending orders. This is pending orders. So when you see the market execution, this lies under this category, but all these three of them, they are all pending orders. The reason being, when you just execute the trend either in the buy limit, sell limit, buy stop or sell limit, it's not going to be executed instantly, but it's going to be pending. That means it will not be executed instantly. It is going actually to stay a little longer before that price is just maybe reaches over there. Sometimes that pending limit can be executed or cannot be executed, but there's no guarantee that all these three can be executed. But you know, market execution is instant and it is 100% execution, because the moment you just click that one, you're just going to it is going to be executed instantly. Now what is the market order? A market order, for example, is where you just click buy and then the market start instantly. Okay, for example, let's say you are dealing with the euro USD and the price is at 0.99600. so when you just click buy at this point, when you click buy at the market price, so the price will enter here not exactly, because there is what we call spread, but just know the market will be executed instantly. So your market will be instant. You have an open order instantly. The moment you click, you will have open position instantly. Okay, so where you even just want to, maybe you and when you actually can you actually put this market order and all that. For example, let's say you have noticed the market has reached to the point there you just wanted and you did not place any point. So what are you going to do? Imefika pale ulikuwa unataka. So what you are going to do? You are going to click market execution so that you can just buy instantly. Okay, let's just go to the next thing, which is buy limit. And when we talk about the buy limit over here, we are talking about where you just want to buy when the price imefika mahali fulani. Let's assume this price, this is the movement, but you know the price is just going to reach this point. Let's say this is the point X, and maybe this is 0.999500 of euro USD, and you know that when this price touches this point, it is going to bump up and go up this way. So because this price is at this level, and you know, maybe you would not be that is always checking the market, what you can just do is to put the buy limit over here. You to put the buy limit here. So you can put buy limit, you can click buy limit here and then put the price as 0.99500, so that when it reaches this point it is going to sell, it is going to buy automatically. And then if the market continues now to go down, it will start going loss, and when it reaches this point and starts going up, then you will be having your profit. So I hope you have understood that. That's very easy to understand that. Let's talk about what we call sell limit, because this is opposite of that. So when you talk about this one, we are talking about the opposite of what we have talked over here, of what we have discussed over here. Let's see, assume the market is going this way, and this is the market. Assume now, you know, because this is a trend, and you know the market, the price is going to come over here and then the price is going to go down. So you are predicting that the market will reach to this point and then start going down. So this is a sell because you're predicting the sell. Okay, sell offer. So what you do is to put the sell limit, so that when this point reaches over here, the market will now start predicting down. So the price is here, so it will pend until it reaches this point. Ikifika hapa, now it will execute your order and then it will start going down. You get your profit if your predictions becomes right. So yeah, so where you can apply this one? When you know the market is just going to rise a little bit to your point and then it just reverses back. So that is when you can apply the sell order. Now what's confusion to so many people, they don't use these two. The one I'm going to explain over here, and I'll show you where you can just apply them. So let's talk about that is buy stop. Okay, and when we just talk about the buy stop, assume now this market is moving this way. Okay, this market has been moving this way. Okay, and then you realize there is this point here. Okay, so unajua, or maybe there is a news that we are waiting, and maybe it is going to strengthen the currency, the base currency, and the price is going to go high. So you just know that if price ikifika hapa itaendelea kuenda juu. If it breaks this point, then is the price cut, this is the current point. So unajua ikifika hapa itaendelea kuenda juu, okay, and not reversing, itaendelea kuenda juu. So what you do is to put the buy stop, so that when this price reaches here, it will start going up. So unajua hiyo price ikifika mahala hapo is just going to go up. Okay, that is what you have to put there, because you can, I think where you can just apply this is maybe where you are expecting the base currencies to strengthen and you're expecting the price to go very, very high. Okay, so if this price breaks this and goes up this way, then you just be in profit, because umenunua hapa when the price was here. So it just went and went and went. So the reason you are doing this is because maybe the news that you are expecting can weaken the base currency and the price goes down right over here, and then your order will not be executed and you will be on the safe side. Okay, so that is how to be safe. So when we come over here to talk about the sell stop, of course you know we are talking the opposite of buy stop. Assume now this price has just been moving this way, and you just know when the price breaks this point is going to go down this way. So what you do, you put a sell stop here, so that when it breaks this point right down on over here, it will just continue going down. But what if it does not touch this point and it is maybe reaches here and goes higher? So your order will not be executed. What if it reaches this point and then it executes your order and then start going up? You'll be in loss. Okay, so you have to know where to put exactly the sell stop and buy stop. To give them brief about whatever we have talked about over here is very simple. This is simple to do this way. On the market, this is executed instantly when you are just placing your order. On the buy limit, you are predicting the market is just going to go down, and you have to wait for this to reach the lowest point you want to buy at. On the sell limit, you are waiting for the market to rise until to the upper level where you want to start selling at, so that you can have high pips. On the buy stop, you are predicting that the market is going to be very continuous. When it breaks that point, that point higher than that is going to go crazy, is going to go up. On the sell stop, you are predicting that the market, when it breaks a certain point, when it is going down, it is going to go down and more down. So this is how you can just explain all these 1 2 3 4 5 of them, that you can just be very easy. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I love comments. I like when you like the video, and I like when you subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye. See the link in the description so that you can see the platform that I use to trade, and that is FXPesa. And when you just join using my link, you always be getting free classes. See you next time.